Hi there. I just bought this transceiver. That is a QRP small transceiver. It's called the Pixie. I just found in AliExpress this version that has got a plastic box. I'm going to open it now. Well, there's a the back side. This is the front side. Yes, something in Chinese and the frequency 7 MHz. This is the PCB with a serigraphy for the assemblage of the old components. And there's a box. There's something in there, and here I can find some instructions, which is not very common from the things that came from China. Yeah, but there is some instructions to A4 sheets with some instructions. Yeah, the assemblage. I can see the open transceiver with the PCB assembled, and the bill of materials. Yes, the bill of materials with all the components, which is not very normal. And the schematic, and also the schematic. Yeah, I'm going to try to make a modification. This is the final stage with the transistor. I'm going to get some more power, because this transceiver has got alpha watt with 12 volts. How can I fit this? Yes, this board in the front side and this one in the back side, and the top lid. Not bad. Seems good to me. Yes, it seems good to me. It's compact, very tiny. Let's see the other components. Yeah, there's some components. This is a very small radio. CW, a morse. This is for morse. It's not for phony. There is a small integrated circuit. And this one is the final stage transistor. I'm going to pick another transistor, more powerful, that could be useful. I bought it online with another materials from an online store, and here they are. I bought 3 of them, but this is a BD 139, a NPN transistor, which is capable of delivering to 12 watts, but not in this case, of course. But I hope to get something around 1 watt at least at 12 volts. I don't know, maybe I will need an aluminium dissipator if it hits or not. This is for it's a BNC, a panel BNC for the antenna. I'm trying to make this in the next weekend and see how it goes. This is a jack for the key, a panel jack for the morse key. And this is a potentiometer, because I think we can get some variation in the frequency between 7023 I guess and 7050 megahertz. Yeah, this is the socket for the PCB, no, the integrated circuit. This looks like a trimmer. Well, there's not so much components. I guess should be easy to assemble this. I'm going to grab all this and put in the bag, and this is the first video. This is more or less the unboxing of the Pixie, and soon I guess I will make another video with the assemblage of all the components and all the PCBs in the box and test. I'm curious to see what we can get from this transceiver. This is very, very, very small transceiver.
Well, I'm wondering what kind of key I will have to operate this small transceiver. I've got some ideas, and I'm going to get something to show you my idea, because I think this is maybe a DIY idea to make a morse key. I've got this bar of inox steel, and it's very flexible, and maybe I can use it horizontally. I can print something in 3D, in my 3D printer, or I can use it vertically. Between the horizontal and the vertical, I guess maybe the horizontal is better because I make less effort. Well guys, thanks for watching. This was the first video. Wait for the second one.